also got these tie downs from Dee Zee for the extra holes in the bed to give you some extra places to hook on straps and whatnot. They come with these little felt pads that you can put around the outside of this so when it's clamped against your bed it doesn't scratch. I'm not too concerned about that. I put them on anyways just for the hell of it. But the way these install, it comes with the bolt. The bolt goes through here and then you loosely tighten into the hole of this like back part, and then you're gonna insert it all into the hole like this, and then once you get it through, this part needs to turn and then tighten so that this gets clamped into the hole of the bed. Let's take a look. So when you got one of these pre-made, you want to get it so that this piece is running perpendicular to this, and what it's going to eventually do is tighten down like that and hold it against the bed. So once you get it like that, you can kind of insert it into the hole, and then you're going to want to like pull on that bolt to pull it tight, and then push the prong in, start tightening it until it starts to get firmed up, and then use your 10mm ratchet crescent and just give them a good tie down. And I think they're pretty solid. I like the way they look against the black bed liner. And then you can just pick whatever spots you want. The bed comes with a whole bunch of different spots. So there's plastic covers, 3 along the bed, along the side, 3 along the back of the bed, and 3 along the other side. So you can just kind of pick and choose. Put them in all if you buy enough, or just kind of move them around as you need them. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Love it if you subscribed. Stay tuned for more videos. Later.